Welcome to RaiKurkul.com. In this video, we will show you how to create Jira filter through REST API. As of now, we are going to use Jira Cloud versions. Before starting with this, we need to have two things available. First is Jira admin access, and second will be authentications. As of now, as per our requirements, we are going to use basic authentications. So username and password should be API token. So how we can configure it, I will show you, but how we can create API tokens, for that, feel free to refer my initial video of Jira REST API. Again, if you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, feel free to follow my complete REST API playlist. Now here we will use post method, and regarding authorizations, select basic authentications where I've already configured username and password. Next will be body, and inside the body we'll select raw and then JSON. For this demo, I'm going to use Postman, and post that will need endpoints. How we can build the endpoints, I will show you in detail. Now here we have to just copy the complete domain name from this link, add it to here, then add REST, then API, and post that which version of API we are using, and after that add filter. Now this will become my endpoints, and from here we'll need body. So where it will be added after creating this filter, let me show you. So whenever you will select on this filter menu, you will have all your filters available. So whenever we will create any of this filter, it will be added here. And what will be the purpose of creating this? Majorly, if you are superiors or if you're user of your Jira instance and you wanted to quickly check any of this informations, you can select any filter and check out, where you will get consolidated data or filter data available in front of you. So it is very quick enough how we can see the contents available, and even creation is also very quick. If we don't have the UI access, we can directly create it through REST API. So I will show you how we can create it. Open the Postman, just add curly brace, and here we need three things to be added. First is description, and whenever we are adding any descriptions, always use double quote, after that colon, and from here we can add the descriptions. So this is REST API filter is my descriptions, and post that will add semicolon. Next thing is JQL. So here we'll use Jira query language. To add this JQL, we'll add colon, and again we'll write the complete JQL in double quotes. Here, if I wanted to show all bug type equal to bug with type equal to bug and resolution is empty. Next, I wanted to add the name. So here we'll specify the filter name. So in this case, this is the filter name, and then we'll add semicolon. All the errors will be resolved, and here we'll add the name REST API filter. We'll add this name, and once we had done with the query, we'll click on send, and you can see the filter is generated very quickly without taking much time here. Because we have used post method, that's the reason this filter is created successfully, and you can see complete detail here. If you want to see this filter inside your Jira instance, just refresh your page or simply click on filters and navigate it to down all your filters, and you will have this filter is available. If you want to check the complete query, even you can verify it from here. Next thing, let's consider you wanted to build some complex query. That is also possible with REST API will show you how we can add complex query as well. As of now, I wanted to add this query where it is giving the priority in high, medium, and status will be in to do and in progress. So we'll include complete JQL here instead of this one. I wanted to specify this complex query, and next here REST API priority. So we'll change the name, otherwise it will throw an error. This will become my complete query. And from here, once we'll click on send this key to do. Here we don't have, maybe I will just add status in progress. No, maybe I will just include in progress, or we can just use done. That's it. Click on send and we have this query or filter is generated successfully. Again, you have to just refresh this page and you will have this filter available inside all your filter list. REST priority and you will have this complete priority related things available for you. This is how we can create any filter at any point of time inside your Jira Cloud instance, which is very quick enough. Without wasting much time, you can generate too many filters. Even if you want, you can add filter in bulk as well. So that's how we can create Jira filter through REST API. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to share within your circle. And if you wanted to learn any topic which is not available in my channel, feel free to add the topic name. We'll see the complete demand, and based on that, I will be happy to create the content related to that topic. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching.